Hey, so what up? Welcome to AEIOU Season 2, Episode 3, and I'm here to teach you about the growing text effect. So, this is what we'll be doing for the whole video. There you go. Okay, so let's get started. So, first off, we have to make a new project. So, just click New Project and then open a new composition for our workspace. Just click OK right here, and then we use the type tool. So the type tool is what we're about to use most of the tutorial. So here we are, just click on it, the workspace, and we'll use I first. I is pretty easy for this because it's practically just one line. So go up to the layer, press mask, then make a new mask. So this mask, it shows the letter when it's over it. So when the mask is not on top of the letter, it hides it, as you can see. So you can use this for our tutorial, for our effect. So first off, we have to hide the eye. So you have to set the keyframes. So we click on masks and then masks path. So we can set our first keyframe. There you go. And then we move down the mask to reveal the letter, and then set our new keyframe to enable the animation that we want, which will slowly reveal the eye as the mask goes down. Here, okay. Let's make it a little faster. Here. So there you go. Simple as that. It's a great way of revealing text. It's a cool effect. But it's a lot different if you use other letters, because other letters have curves in it. So we go to text again. For example, we use M. M is a lot more complicated compared to the I we made a while ago. So let's do the same process. First off, let us zoom in for a while. First, let's make our first mask, and then we transform the mask so that it will only show one part of the letter. So there's the mask, the first mask, and then we transform it. Let's show this part first. Transform it so that only that part will be shown as it gradually reveals this part of the letter. So we go back to hiding the letter first, and then set the first keyframe. So we move it back down so that we can make the animation. Let's adjust this for a while so that we can see the time frame properly. So we go back to setting the second keyframe so that our animation would be in motion. And then here you go. So let's just make this happen earlier so that the effect can happen faster. There you go. So that's the first part of the M that we want to reveal, and so we go to the next part and make a new mask. So go back to mask, new masks, go to the second mask, and then pick the part of the letter that you want to be revealed by the new mask. So same process, we go back to transforming this mask. So I chose this part, and so it's just a matter of transforming the mask so that it tightly reveals just this part of the letter. because we don't want to be revealing the other part, because we're gonna make a new mask for that. So we want to just reveal this part first. There you go. So in order for it to go smoothly, we have to make the mask almost not visible, just like this, as the first part of the animation. So it's just a matter of setting the keyframe. Go back there, just a keyframe, set the first one, and then we'll set the second one a little bit earlier so that the ending animation will be synchronized with the first mask. Okay, so now that we've set our first keyframe, we have to set the second one around there, halfway. We're just going to be transforming the mask so that it will only reveal just this part of the letter right there. And then we move on to the last keynote right about there, and then reveal the bottom part of the first curve in the letter, like so. There you go. Now let's just look at a preview, see how synchronized it is, and just follow the same process for the next curve. You make a new mask, but then let's do something a little bit different. This time we're gonna make the mask reveal from below. It's actually your choice how you want to reveal the parts of the letter, so you get a lot of options. Just get creative with it. So we're gonna transform this mask again like we did before, and then reveal just one part of the letter, so like this. And then we go back from the start and just set the first keyframe. That's our first keyframe. Same thing, halfway through set a new one, and then transform your mask to reveal just the part of the M that you want, the part of the M that you want to reveal, just like this. Let's just transform it a little bit more so that the animation would go real smooth. So just this part. Now that if you're happy with the second keyframe, just set the third one and reveal the last part of the M that you want to be seen. There you go. Okay, so our preview, everything's all synchronized, and you get a lot of choices in this effect. You got a lot of options, so you get to pick how to reveal your letters with the masks. So let me just show you in the first part of this video how I did it. So just let me open this. There you go, the word imagine. So you can see that there's A, there's G, and it's different every time how I show it, how you can show it actually. So just a preview of the effect in full motion there. Okay, so this concludes another episode of IOU. This is the growing text tutorial, and we hope you enjoyed this. Hope to see you soon next episode. Thanks for watching.